Now, after the CAG report on the liquor policy is out, it is the BJP that is hitting at the Aam Aadmi Party and slamming Arvind Kejriwal. BJP is saying the scam is to the tune of 2,000 crore rupees and this scam has now been exposed. BJP says Aam Aadmi Party's corruption mindset has been exposed. A new controversy now coming between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. The Delhi elections are just round the corner. The BJP has now hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party, slamming Arvind Kejriwal. The BJP is saying the scam with regards to the liquor policy change that was done by the Aam Aadmi Party government in the national capital, that scam is to the tune of 2,000 crore rupees. My colleague Anmol Bali is now joining me on the story. Anmol, we are now very clearly seeing the BJP versus Aam Aadmi Party fight getting bitter with each passing day. Now, on the basis of the CAG report, the leaked CAG report, the BJP is saying that the loss to the exchequer, the scam is worth 2,000 crore rupees.
Ashwarya, the CAG report accessed by the India Today clearly shows that exchequer loss of around 2,026 crore due to the liquor policy, which was later scrapped by the Aam Aadmi Party government. The report also mentioned that the intended goal was not made by the AAP government, and the politics is also escalating on this issue. And it was seen that this liquor policy scam, alleged liquor policy scam or excise scam, was made the main issue by the Bharatiya Janata Party to target the Aam Aadmi Party. While addressing a press conference, leader Sanjay Singh said that BJP leaders are out of their mind, and he said that this CAG report came from the office of Bharatiya Janata Party. But on the other hand, while launching the campaign song at the Pantmarg office of Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP President Virendra Sachdeva has said that money made from this excise policy were used as kickbacks to build the Sheesh Mahal scam. So he targeted the Aam Aadmi Party on the both issue, as well as the alleged Sheesh Mahal scam, as well as on the excise policy issue also.
Right.
And it is seen that both political parties, Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party, are playing blame on this issue, Ashwarya.
Thank you, Anmol, giving us those details, putting things in perspective. Both of them are pointing fingers at each other and saying that it's the other one who's now indulging in scam. In fact, let's listen into a BJP reaction coming in on the story.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी पहले दिन से एक बात कह रही है कि 2026 करोड़ का जो घोटाला इस कैग रिपोर्ट से बता रहे हैं, अरविंद केजरीवाल और उस समय के शराब के मंत्री मनीष सिसोदिया, ये घोटाला जानबूझकर किया घोटाला है। और इसमें जो सीएजी रिपोर्ट की जो जानकारी मिल रही है, उसके हिसाब से तो सीधा सीधा ये प्लान करके किया गया है। एक्सपर्ट्स की राय ली गई, शराब नीति बनानी है, लेकिन उस राय को उठा के रद्दी में रख दिया, सिर्फ कागजों पे। हमें सिर्फ ये दिखाना था कि हम कुछ कर रहे हैं। जो पॉलिसी बनाई गई उसमें फेरबदल किया गया, और बार बार जो सरकारी नियम है उनकी अवहेलना करते हुए आपने कैबिनेट से अप्रूवल नहीं ली, आपने एलजी साहब से अप्रूवल नहीं ली, और लगातार जितनी भी वो थी, मतलब जिसे कहते हैं ना ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए, वो सब किनारे कर दी। कैसे पैसे आना है वो करना है, और उसके साथ साथ शराब की कीमत तय नहीं करना, जो लाइसेंस जिनके पास है उनसे जो फीस लेनी है उसको माफ़ कर देना, कोविड के नाम पे 144 करोड़ छोड़ देना, 890 करोड़ रुपए जो लाइसेंस धारियों से लेने थे वो नहीं लेना, वो सारा पैसा अरविंद केजरीवाल, ये 2026 करोड़ तो सीएजी की रिपोर्ट बता रही है, ये 2026 करोड़ हैं जो तुम्हारे शीश महल पे लगे हैं।